Hello and welcome to the Lo-Fi prototype of Nonehal. Upon clicking the application, the first thing you see is a splash screen that shows simple characters and minimal white space. After a couple of seconds, you are greeted with the home screen that shows 3 to 4 options. The first and the most prominent one being a plus symbol, and then a parents section icon, and then 2 options that show language options. For the sake of this prototype, the English has been cut out. When you press the plus symbol, you are prompted to this section where you have to enter your child's name and his age. A keyboard pops up, you enter a name, and it shows up. After that, you select his age, and then you get a feedback in the form of colors and a button, and then you press it. Then you are greeted with a screen that allows you to select their gender. When you select their gender, yet again you are greeted with feedback in the form of a selection and colors. So after you've made your child's profile, their name and icon will appear on the home screen. After you select the profile, you will be shown this screen. This screen has 3 features: a scrollable story carousel, an icon to customize your child's avatar, and a back button. If we press this icon, we will be shown a screen that lets you select multiple options and clothing options to customize your avatar. If I press back, I will be prompted to this screen again, and if I scroll right about here, I will be able to select a story. So how does the story start? Well, you're greeted with a video. You watch a video relating to that category. I'll just skip this video for now. And then you are shown narrations. So for starters, this particular character speaks a few dialogues and this one adds on. After that, what's this? A question? You're greeted with a question. Then your child selects the question, selects an answer, and then it was an incorrect answer. So this pop-up shows up, and then you're supposed to select another answer, and then this one's a correct answer. So this goes on for like 3 to 4 seconds, and then you are shown other narrations and other questions. And finally, when you're done, you're presented with an achievement and an unlockable. Congratulations. Okay, so now we're back at the home screen. Now what I do is I'll select the parent section and I will be prompted to enter a password. So I've put my secret password. You can't see the password here. And then after successfully completing that password field, you are prompted to the first screen of the parent section. What we see here is a back button and multiple profiles that you've added. And when you press this icon, you are prompted to the first flow that we've covered. Upon pressing that icon, you are then shown your child's progress. So this seems like a complicated screen, but it's very simple. Let me explain. This is a progress bar with 4 individual modules, and now we can see that half of it is highlighted, indicating that the child has completed half the stories. What we can do as well is we can edit the curriculum, because most of our user base wanted this to be editable, so we've done exactly that. You press this icon next to the curriculum bar and you're shown different topics. You can turn these off and on using toggle bars. After you're done with that section, you can move on to the video section. The video section will have multiple videos explaining different topics such as consent, good touch, bad touch, and the grooming technique. After you're done with that section, you can press the FAQ icon, which will take you to the FAQ section. This section is pretty self-explanatory, but what you can do as well is that you can expand the cards by pressing the icons next to them. Let me show you. and after that you will see the expanded card with the relevant questions and their answers. And ladies and gentlemen, that is pretty much it for the non-ehal application Lo-Fi prototype.